I am Battalion Senior Under Officer Abdullah Afzal, 150th PMA Long Course. I hail from Sialkot and studied from Military College JLM. Since I have been awarded with the Sword of Honor for being the best gentleman cadet of my course, I stand here today due to the blessings of Almighty Allah, prayers of my parents, the able guidance of my instructors, and the unwavering support of my fellow comrades. Every moment spent at the academy is of value and significance to me. It has not only transformed me as a person, but has also given me the true sense of purpose in life.
I am Battalion Senior Under Officer Babar Khan from 150th PMA Long Course. Today is a memorable day in my life since I have been awarded with the President's Gold Medal for being the overall second best cadet of my course. Today I stand here due to the countless blessings of Almighty Allah, prayers of my parents, able guidance of my instructors, and the unwavering support of my fellow comrades. Every moment in the academy is of immense importance and great significance to me. It has given me a purpose in life, which is to serve my nation to the best of my abilities.
I am Course Junior Under Officer Muhammad Umar Sheraz from Technical Graduate Course 36. I hail from Haripur. Today marks a very important milestone in my life as I earned commission into Pakistan Army and have been honored with the Chief of Army Staff cane for being the overall best cadet of my course. After 1 year of intense and challenging training at Pakistan Military Academy, I now am fully equipped to take on future challenges with utmost determination and drive. I stand here today due to the blessings of Allah Almighty, prayers of my parents, and the continuous guidance of my instructors. Today, I vow to keep working hard and serve my country with pride.
I, Friendly Country Senior Under Officer Kshitij from Nepal, have undergone training with 150th PMA Long Course at Pakistan Military Academy. Today, I have been awarded with the Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee's Overseas Gold Medal for being the best cadet among the Friendly Country cadets. It is a great honor for me to receive this award and represent my country in Pakistan. After spending 2 years, I can surely say that it is through the exceptional training and grooming I received in Pakistan Military Academy that I stand here to receive this award. Pakistan is and will always be my second home, and I shall represent myself as an ambassador of Pakistan in my country. Pakistan Jindabad, Pakistan Army Paindabad.
I am a Friendly Country Cadet mine from Palestine. I have completed my 2 years training at PMA with 150 Long Course. By the grace of Almighty Allah and the effort of my instructors, I have learned a lot, and I will carry these teachings with me in my professional life. After completing my 2 years training at PMA, I will be ambassador of Pakistan in my country. Pakistan, Palestine, Dosti Zindabad, long life, Pakistan, Palestine friendship.
I am Course Under Officer Pakeeza from Lady Cadet Course 24. It is a matter of great pride for me that I have been awarded Commandant's cane for being the overall best Lady Cadet of my course. I am very grateful to my parents, friends, and instructors at Pakistan Military Academy for their constant support and guidance. Training at Pakistan Military Academy has equipped us with the means to strengthen our physical, mental, and intellectual faculties. Inshallah, I shall continue to work with the same zeal and enthusiasm, and I would endeavor to be a role model for young women who are aspiring to serve the nation with pride and dignity.
I am Course Junior Under Officer Suleman from 69th Integrated Course. Alhamdulillah, today I have been awarded with Commandant's cane for being the overall best cadet of my course. While the training was tough, it nurtured in me the creed and values of character, comradeship, and dedication. Pakistan Military Academy plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and security of our country by training the future leaders of Pakistan Army. I am grateful for the training and support imparted to me by the esteemed faculty, and I shall strive to uphold its values and excellence. Pakistan Army Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.